Welcome to today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Chairman and CEO of ITEL, Yoni Epstein, explained to RJR News that about 20% of the BPO sector based in Montego Bay is currently non-functional, forcing some operators to look for alternative locations in Kingston to keep services going. He noted that 60% of ITEL's operations are in Montego Bay, and roughly 55% of that was affected by the hurricane. However, the company has been partially shielded because 40% of its operations are located in Kingston and overseas. Mr. Epstein warned that the speed of recovery in telecoms and energy will be crucial in determining the future of the BPO industry, stressing that international partners will not wait forever if Jamaica cannot reliably deliver services. The Jamaica Mortgage Bank will be shifting its focus towards financing low-income housing in Western Jamaica, where communities were hard hit by Hurricane Melissa. Managing Director Courtney Winter explained that this pivot is one of the key reasons the bank sought the arrangement of a $1.5 billion unsecured bond through Proven Wealth. The funds are being used to refinance debt that matured earlier this year, freeing up some cash flow to complete some 800 housing units already under construction and to begin new low-income developments in the western end of the island. For the trading period ending November 28, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Wigton Energy Limited with 13,720,990 units, representing 24.65% of market sales volume. One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 4,969,868 units, representing 8.93% of market sales volume. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 4,952,424 units, representing 8.9% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On November 28, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $51.50 million purchased and US $51.85 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.86 per dollar, selling the US at $159.34 and buying the US at $161.20. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 97 cents per transaction, with selling at $115.07 and buying at $114.10. The British pound yielded Forex traders $3.05 in profits, with selling at $211 and buying at $214.05. For our credit report tip of the day, when life comes at you with a blow you never saw coming, everything feels like it's slipping through your fingers. Your plans, your stability, your confidence. Let me give you a tip. Just because there's a crisis, the banking sector, the lending sector, the grant funding sector will not change their requirements for paperwork. You must provide documentation that is required. And this is why your credit report becomes more than numbers on a page. It becomes your voice when you're exhausted, your proof that you've been trying, your reminder that you haven't given up. It opens the door for conversations, because the people who have to make the decision to give you money are accountable. And the credit report is that tool that allows you to walk into the conversation not defeated, but determined. And if you need 6 months of breathing room, that credit report is what will allow you to regain your strength. For the funded and focused feature, are you a business owner looking to support your business with grant funding? So today I'm breaking down the grant writing process in just 2 minutes so you can go from idea to funded project fast. So step 1, get your business in order. Make sure your business is legally registered, your taxes are up to date, and you have a bank account in your business name. Donors want to fund legitimate, compliant businesses. Step 2, prepare a strong business profile. This means a clear business plan, your team structure, products or services, and financial projections. Think of it as your business story. Show why you're unique and ready to grow. Step 3, write a compelling project proposal. Start with the problem you're solving, set clear objectives, show how you'll implement your plan, and include a detailed budget. Donors who give grants love to see exactly how every dollar will make an impact. Step 4, that word impact is important. So align your grant request with donor priorities. Whether it's the United Nations, the World Bank, the Caribbean Development Bank, or USAID, your project should match their goals, not yours, theirs. So if it's women-led businesses and innovation, climate resilience, community development, find out where they are putting money. Step 5, provide supporting documents. This includes references, proof of impact, financial statements, and letters of partnership. The more evidence you give, the stronger your application. And finally, submit with confidence. Follow the donor's guidelines. They're not going to adjust to you. You need to adjust to them. Meet the deadlines and proofread your application. Remember, grant writing is not just asking for money. It's telling a story of growth, impact, and opportunity. Use this checklist, prepare your business, and get ready to take your venture to the next level. Funding is out there. It's time to go get it. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.